So here it is. Finally got here today. First mag-fed paintball gun. Let's get it open. Yeah, sure. Be my tank holder here, holding my 20-ounce CO2 tank on my back. My remote adapter. Sweet. That's the main show. What do we got here? Nice that they bubble wrapped it. Get this out of the way for now. Took them about a week to get it here, but this from Ontario. Wow. A lot of, I don't know why I expected it to be a little bit bigger, but I am a big kid at 6'5". God, it's in me tight. I love it. At least it knows that they mean to take care of my stuff. Yeah, get off. Sheesh. Off. Be free. Why is that there? I don't know. I don't know. It's a weird arse package. You know what? I am a complete idiot. There we go. So there's a tear line right here. Screw it. There we go. Ooh, it's got some weight to it. It's nice. Adjustable 4-stock. Perfect for a tall dude like me. Sad thing is right-handed. Sweet. So, got a full mag set, 1 D-mag for first strike rounds. 14 round mags, you got 7. It's awesome. And they're supposed to be really easy to clean, but I haven't figured that out yet. And then about 5 of these ones here. They can hold first strikes, but they're not exactly recommended for it per se, just because they have the feed that goes like that. They should be able just to pop out like this. Almost. Huh. Come on. Do what I want you to. Oh, it's upwards. Be smarter than your stuff. Uh-oh.
A few moments later.
That's what the actual magazine looks like. And you can clear them out. That just annoys me. It's a good thing everybody knows. Oh, and then you split it, and then you can clean out all the internals. But if you're planning on getting one of these, remember that, because that gave me a good scare. And I didn't want a good scare. Just annoys the crud out of me. Sweet. So I got Sweet! Banner I can put somewhere in my room. Mental note, this is not my room, this is my dad's shop. My 2 free patches. I'm gonna put on my vest. It's your loader here. Speed loader. So you can take one of these, it's easy to show you, and then you just set it in like that. Opens everything up, primes everything. Everything gets stuck in there like so, and you're ready to fire. Sweet. And then you just drop them in, and they pile up and do their thing. But I think, if I'm correct about what I'm thinking, I'm still fairly new to this. And there you go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I guess that makes 5. What is this here? Oh yeah. My sights. Another free patch. I'll have to get that to some of my friends if you're watching. Bunch of stickers. Sweet. Let's see what the manual says on it, yeah? Use loading rod to press projectile and to shut a door. Never release an unloaded magazine. Oops. Well. It's all going on YouTube, so guess I'm the idiot. Well, you guys will get to reading all this stuff once you get your own, but it's a toccmmo Blizzard. A Wrap 4. Can't wait to really get shooting this. Wait a minute. You guys notice that? Barrel's not straight. What the hell? See that? You don't see that, right? That ain't straight. What the? The gun's not straight. Oh, that's not even... That's some bull. See if I can fix that before I have to send it into them. So, see what the barrel is here. Doing. That's a pretty thick thread. Hey, straight rifles on this. That's nice. Fluted. Trying to remember the video I saw on how to remove these. I think they just come straight off. I don't remember. Or I'll have to pull some Allens out. Hey, Penny. Yeah, I'll have to pull a couple Allens, I think. It's the velocity adjuster. Let's see, that bag should have Allen somewhere. I'm not going to put those on until I see if the gun gets straightened at all. Barrel bag, a couple extra O-rings, another extra patch, because, yeah. Let's see. Usually, these should all be the Allens you'll need. Like, all of them that you'll ever need. But sometimes that isn't exactly so. Okay, so you got Allen on this side. Did they strip this fucker? Oops, did they strip this? I really hope not, because that's gonna just make me mad. They stripped it. They stripped it. Oh my goodness. They stripped it. You see that? Some bullcrap. Oh, jeez. That's all. So, my new Toccamo Blizzard. All my complaints and loves about it. See how it performs. Just can't get over that that's not straight. You don't see that. I'm gonna yell at MCS. But, yeah, that's everything. Well, thank you for watching. Now, if I get to 50 subscribers, I'm gonna do a face reveal so everybody sees what I look like. But until then, keep liking my videos, subscribe, leave a comment so I can improve them, recruit your friends. Oh, that's why. Sad. So very sad. They tightened one too tight. Most likely the one they stripped. Well, I can fix that. Alright. See ya. Bye.